What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Link in the description for the merchandise. Today, I want to finish doing the wheel wells where we need to seal them off, put silicone, aluminum tape. I want to do that so that way we can start wrapping the quarters, because that's the only thing holding us up on the quarter panels. Also finish the kit where the door handle is on the back door right here. That was the last piece that we needed to address and get done. Also, I want to straighten up the side molding, and let's get to it.
Out of body with the flow. They wanted more. I give them more.
Alright guys, so we got the kit done right here, and no more messing with the kit as far as the front fenders. Don't have to do any body work on the fenders or the over fenders. We can just vinyl wrap those. As far as these and the quarters, we don't need to do any body work on these. I'm gonna let this dry, and I'm gonna let that dry. High temp sealer on the quarters on both sides, and then put the aluminum tape. We'll let this all dry overnight.
Take it to the ground, I'ma break it down right now. How you do it? Like I see you running, do you? So I can do it, can't do it, get it, cold. Run it up, get it up. Weed like a rust, smoke weed like a rust. She call me Papa, she call me Papa. Tell me spurs like buckets, spurs like bucket. You know they can't stop us, Keep my mind at ease.